morning, my dear student. Today I am going to teach in class 7 SST subject SST. In SST, a history portion. Today I will teach you history. The last lesson lesson 9, mobile and settled communities. In this lesson we will study about the mobile and settled communities. Student, in medieval history of India, it is dominated by 4 kings: the Rajputs, the Delhi Sultan, the Mughal, and the Marathas. There are 4 dynasties arose in this time, and along with these great powers, there were small communities or groups organized like Aham and Gons. So there are 2 types of groups. There are 2 types of communities. Communities are arose in the medieval times, and tried their best to survive and to establish their kingdom. These 2 groups were survived and established their kingdom in the medieval history. Though most of the people were nomad. In this time, the peoples were nomads or eating rent, but still they were able to establish a strong kingdom. But in this time, the people established the kingdoms and established the strong kingdoms made by these Aham and Gons groups. The Gons and Ahams were traditionally agriculturalists. Most of them practiced shifting cultivation under these people. Students, these are very powerful, and they were the agriculturists. Most of them practiced shifting cultivation under which people migrate from one region to another region to search a fertile land. These people were searching the fertile place where their animals, and they also live in the fertile plain areas. So these peoples were searching the fertile land with their animals. It is called the pastoral nomads. Pastoral nomad, under this, people keep on moving along with their animals. So in this time, the people were going to remove and moving along with their animals. Here some characteristics of shifting agriculture. Student, first, patch of land is cleared by cutting and burning the trees. The first and foremost, the people clear the forest and to cultivate these lands, that is called the patch. Patch of land is cleared by the cutting and burning the trees. Second, seeds are planted in the groups, and under this type of cultivation, farmers do not plough the soil. Third, after 2 or 3 years, the clearing is abandoned as the yield decreases owing to weeds, soil erosion, and loss of soil fertility. And fourth, then a fresh clearing is made and the community migrate to that areas. This is the wasteful method of cultivation because it is responsible for deforestation and environment degradation. So, you will be surprised to know, यह जान करके तुम्हें आश्चर्यचकित होता है, दैट माने कि शिफ्टिंग एग्रीकल्चर is still practiced in some part of the world. In India, it is known as zooming. Student, you know the shifting agriculture in India is known by the name of zooming. It is the practiced in northeastern states of India like Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura and Nagaland. So these states are very famous for the shifting Thus, so there are these forests are cutting and zooming the fields of harvesting. Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura and Nagaland are like the shifting agriculture in the state. Shifting agriculture. What is the shifting agriculture? Shifting. Yes. I-F-T-I-N-G. Shifting agriculture. Under this a patch of land is cleared by by cutting and burning the trees and burning the trees. So there are shifting agriculture. What is the shifting agriculture? Under this, a patch of land is cleared by cutting and burning the trees. So it is called the shifting agriculture. In India, there are many states who have shifting agricultures: Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, etc. So every shifting agriculture are grouping in those areas. Here the student, the mobiles and settles communities lessons. There are shifting agriculture, pastoral nomads, and some other topics in the next video. So the student, today is our video over, and I will teach you the next remains part of these lessons in the next video. Thank you very much.